Got the new clutch pack in. Got the pressure plate in with the new springs, all torqued down. I went ahead and put the side casing on already with the new gaskets. I put the new water pump gasket. I'm about to put the clutch cover. This is the old gasket. About to put this new one. Get it installed. After I'm done with that, I'm pretty much done with the bottom end. And I will move on to the top end. I'm going to remove all the power valve assembly, see what it looks like, give it a nice little inspection, and see what we're working with. But yeah, we're pretty much done with the bottom end. And like I said, top end next. Should be good to go. Bike should be running in a week or so. YZ250. I also got to do some work on the carburetor. Check it out. You know, it's been sitting for a long time, so got to make sure nothing's plugged, everything's clean. Bottom end done, and it's pretty much all put together. Now I'm going to do the top end. I'm going to inspect all the power valve assemblies, make sure it's all good. I'm going to remove the reeds, make sure it's all good. It looks pretty good, so probably just a good little cleanup and it should be good to go with the new spark plug, new gaskets. But like I say, yeah, new O-rings, and yeah, like I say, I'm gonna get it all cleaned up. I got the piston for it too already, so yeah. I got the cylinder all taken apart, power valve assembly, reeds, all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the cylinder washed, get it all cleaned up, put it all back together. Let's get it. So I got the carburetor taken apart off the YZ250. I already went ahead and inspected everything. Everything seems pretty good. As you can see right through it. Same thing with the other jet, so it should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. Put a little bit of gasket maker on it to give it a nice seal, and yeah, inspect the striker, all that, the cable, maybe even lube it up a little bit, and just get it ready. I already went ahead and got the rod bearing in for the piston. Everything's already all cleaned up. My cylinder's good. All I gotta do is put the gaskets in, and that's pretty much it. Is get the gaskets in, get the piston all set up, get ready to put into the cylinder, and yeah, pretty much ready to go. Got everything cleaned up, cylinders honed out. All I gotta do is put a little bit of gasket maker in, so put the gasket on and start installing the top end. So I got the engine all done. She's looking good. She's all good, all torqued down. Everything's good to go, ready to be installed into the bike. I got a few things to do before I actually install it into the bike. I'm gonna go ahead and polish out the frame, clean it up, clean up the swing arm, install some other parts that I got for it, and we're gonna keep going. If you like the video, keep watching. We're gonna go ahead and keep putting her together, see how she comes out. Stay tuned.